In this video, I'm going to show you how to track wallets on Axiom Pro. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you do have an Axiom Pro account. Then you want to go ahead and find the user that you are trying to track. So let's say, for example, you're looking at the cryptocurrency distribute right over here. What you need to do is you need to go over here and select on holders. And basically, you need to go ahead and find some wallets to actually track. Now, again, I'm not really going to provide too much financial advice in this video. I'm just going to show you guys how to actually use the tool manually. But obviously, there's many other sources where you can go ahead and find good wallets to actually track. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the wallet that you want to track. So let's say, for example, we want to track this wallet. You want to go ahead and press on open in SolScan. And then it is going to open up SolScan right over here. And all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on copy to clipboard. And this is basically the wallet address. This is the address that we're going to go ahead and actually start tracking. And over here, it's also going to give you like a history of all their transactions. We can also see their transfers, their DFI activities, NFT activities, and all that other good stuff as well. So there's a lot of great features that SolScan does have to offer. And I recommend that you guys use this tool as well. But anyways, back to Axiom Pro. In order to actually start tracking wallets, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select on wallet tracker right over here. Then you want to go ahead and press on add wallet. Go ahead and enter in the wallet address by just pasting it here. There you go. And now you want to go ahead and give your wallet a name. So for this video, I'm just going to be calling it tutorial. And once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on add wallet. And there you go. We now are able to go ahead and actually start tracking wallets. And you guys can go ahead and set up alerts for it as well. And you guys can even go ahead and scan the address as well. And you can see all of its performance and stuff like that, its total value, and all of that other good stuff as well. But yeah, you guys could basically use this to actually learn more. And over here is a trash can icon in case you want to stop tracking the wallet. And over here, we can also see their live trades as well. So that's honestly another useful feature that Axiom does have to offer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.